Okay, on this worksheet, I'm only going to do problem 1 and 4 because the rest of them are really easy, especially because we've been doing this all week and you should already know how it works. Problem number 1 tells you to use your graphing calculator to create a table of values for the function below. So we're going to put this in y equals, second graph, and fill in this table right here. And we can start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's fill that in. And then we're going to answer these questions where it's asking, as the value of x increases by 1, what's happening to the value of y? Okay? So let's go look. Y equals 300x plus 250, second graph. Okay, so go ahead and write down these numbers, 250, 550, 850, 1150, 1450 on your paper. 0 is 250, 1 is 550, 2 is 850, 3 is 1150, and 1450. So what do you notice? What is happening to the y when the x increases by 1? How much is this increasing by? Okay, some of you can look at it until really, really fast, and some of you is going to take you a little bit longer. Just subtract 550 minus 250 gives you 300. So it's increasing by 300. Okay, increasing, it got bigger. So the value of y increases by 300 units. Okay? And the opposite happens as well. If it says, as the value of x decreases by 1, so if I go backwards from here to here, if I decrease it by 1, what's happening from here to here? It's going to decrease by 300. So the value of y decreases by 300 units. Okay? And then the next question, when will the value of y be greater than 3,000? Bigger. Okay, bigger than 3,000. So we're going to go to the table. We're going to see when does it get bigger than 3,000. So go down and look, when does it get bigger than 3,000? Right here. This is bigger than 3,000, so that's at 10. X equals 10. Okay, the y will give you 3,250. All right, number 4. I would start by putting these here on the table. So negative 2, comma 0, negative 1, comma negative 4, 0, comma negative 6, and 1, comma negative 6. Then you can put it in stat, calc 5, and get the equation, okay, and get the graph. The mapping is pretty easy. You put them in order right here, the x's, and don't repeat them. So I have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and put them in order over here too. The smallest one is negative 6, then negative 4, then 0. And you're going to use arrows, okay? Notice I didn't put another negative 6. You do not repeat them. You're going to say that negative 2 goes to 0, negative 1 goes to negative 4, 0 goes to negative 6, and 1 also goes to negative 6. So go ahead and finish this one up and finish the rest of them front and back. Problem number 5, really quickly, make sure that you're looking for the one that includes all the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts. The table right here has to have all the x-intercepts and all the y-intercepts. If it doesn't have it, that's not the answer. Okay? And make sure that you check your paper when you are done.